This video's on leftover chips and stuff like that. Sometimes you buy chips that you really don't like that well, like these. I really don't care for them, but they started to go stale. You know, even though I put this clip on it, still they're stale, and I really didn't like the taste of it. They're pretty hot. So what I did is put them in this magic bullet. Oh, it's called the mini bullet, I mean. And we're going to grind this up. Just a second. Let me shut this off because I only have one hand. I don't have a tripod. I'm just using a small camera. But I powdered this out. And that's what it looks like. I have a few chunks in there, I guess, but not too bad. Have your own seasoning. What is it? Chili and lemon. You know, dynamite. It's hot Cajun style. It's really hot stuff. So you could use it on, say, your barbecued chicken wings. You know, and spicy chicken wings, I guess they're called. Put some in ramen, your ramen, spice that up. Put it on Cajun pizza, different things like that. So this is just an idea. Instead of taking your old chips and throwing them away, get you a mini bullet and powder them out. That way you'll have your own seasoning. You know, it's quite a bit. And thanks for watching, and subscribe. P.S. This is how cheap I am. Like, this is almost gone. This is onion powder. You just take the top off of that instead of buying a shaker or whatever, and put that chili powder in here. You know, that way you don't have to throw this away. And or you can get one of these off of eBay for about $1, $2. I don't know. It's up to you. But I'm almost done with this onion powder, so I'm going to turn it into chili powder. I just wanted to point that out too. So thanks for watching and subscribe. Try this out. It's a pretty good idea. It's better than throwing away your chips. I can eat a few of those, you know, at a time, you know, maybe 5 or 6, but I can't sit there and eat the whole bag or half a bag or whatever. But it tastes pretty good as seasoning.